Welcome to the introduction of our innovative product, SuperDART, the ultimate solution for manual cleaning of endoscope channels. The validated SuperDART provides for efficient one-pass cleaning of endoscope channels, effectively eliminating bioburden even from worn and scratched channels. Let's take an in-depth look at the three distinctive cleaning elements of the SuperDART and how they function. The robust leading brush, featuring a protective bullet, efficiently dislodges debris from the channel walls and junction areas, where the metal tube components of the endoscope control body join with Teflon channel tubes. The Squeegee multi-disc wiper expels the debris out of the endoscope and effectively swipes the channel wall. The fine bristled tail brush thoroughly removes debris from scratches and other imperfections in the channel walls and brushes off the remaining biofilm. Let's explore now how the individual cleaning components of the SuperDART work, understanding their contribution to the impressive functionality and effectiveness of the device. The leading brush is carefully introduced into the instrument channel and gently pushed towards the area in the control body of the endoscope where the metal tube joins with the Teflon channel tube. Debris collected on the rim of the metal tube must be meticulously removed with the leading brush. The back and forth motion of the leading brush effectively dislodges and removes debris collected on the rim of the metal tube. Squeegees alone cannot accomplish this task. Once the tube junction area is brushed and clean, the leading brush is advanced through the channel in short strokes of the flexible catheter. The leading brush travels through the channel, efficiently dislodging debris from the channel's wall, leaving it suspended in the enzymatic detergent solution present in the channel. As the leading brush exits the endoscope, it expels some of the debris from the channel into the wash sink filled with the enzymatic detergent solution. The distal end of the SuperDART is pulled out, allowing the Squeegee multi-disc wiper and the tail brush to enter the endoscope's channel. The Squeegee multi-disc wiper effectively pushes down and removes the dislodged debris suspended in the enzymatic detergent solution and effectively swipes the channel wall. The multi-disc wiper is responsible for removing most of the bioburden from the channel. It also suctions in the solution from the wash sink, ensuring the channel is filled with it after the squeegee pass. It is important to note that squeegees alone cannot remove debris from scratches or other imperfections. Instead, they may inadvertently deposit bioburden into these voids. Squeegees also leave behind a very thin invisible layer of biofilm on the channel's walls. The tail brush, constructed with fine bristles, addresses this challenge by brushing away the residual debris from the voids and scratches and effectively removing the biofilm. It is a unique feature of the SuperDART. Other currently available squeegee-type brushes are not able to effectively clean worn channels or remove the biofilm. As the Squeegee multi-disc wiper and the tail brush exit the endoscope, expelling all the debris, the final flush with clean water leaves the channel nearly entirely free from bioburden. In summary, the innovative three-stage construction of the SuperDART ensures consistent, validated outcomes for the manual cleaning of the channels in just one pass through the endoscope. It saves time and reduces operators' fatigue. Upgrade your cleaning process today and provide your patients with the highest standard of care and hygiene by adopting the SuperDART in your facility.